want y'all, let me pull this back. Look at this reptile, guys. Look at that reptile. Jesus.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
You want to talk about luxury? Maniere gets it. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Today we have the Jordan 1 Maniere. Maniere. And yo, they 2 for 2 in my book. In that comment section below early, let me know how y'all feel about the second collaboration from Jordan and Maniere. But in my book, they're 2 for 2. If you haven't, hit subscribe, all that stuff the YouTubers say, whatever. Let's get into this video, man. I'm a little more hyped for this video, not only because I really like the luxury of the sneaker, but also I actually won these on the Maniere website, and it took this long, guys. I thought that they was going to cancel me, but they did come. It took a long time, but they're here. Yo, not the craziest of collabs as far as colorway, but man, the luxury on this sneaker is A1. Get what I got there, right? A1, Maniere, the A. Hit the music.
Unboxing time.
Voila. And just like its predecessor, I like when people say like words like that. But I don't even know if we could call it the predecessor, because this is a Jordan 1 and the original one was a Jordan 3. So just like the first collab, we have this nice pull-out sleeve. And when I did my Travis Scott fragment joint, I gave Travis Scott a lot of credit for that sleeve. But Maniere does deserve the credit for this sleeve. Like I said, I feel like more sneakers should come with this sleeve because it does protect the box. And when you try to sell on like GOAT and StockX, a lot of people be wanting a pristine box, but it's kind of like impossible to have a pristine box when you're stacking them on top of each other or you're shipping them in just another regular cardboard box. But for Maniere, the sleeves has a whole bunch of logos of the brand around it. Then we get to the nice sail white box, smooth box. Looks just like your regular 1985 Air Jordan 1 box, but the colorway has changed and Maniere is present. And that's on both sides of the box. The large A there, right next to the shoe sizing, and another A there, and on top the Nike logo with Maniere there. The inside of the box has the classic Jordan 1 picture with Jordan doing the Jumpman logo with another A there. The inside tissue paper is also draped in the Maniere logo. I told y'all luxury, and I didn't even get to the sneaker yet. Just showing y'all the presentation at once. Luxury. And let's start with the right shoe. I just want y'all to see this before I even talk. I don't even want to talk. Just look at the luxury, man. Jesus Christ. So let's start with the toe tag. The toe tag is leather, guys. This is leather. That's how you know it's luxury. And on this side, you have the A. On this side, you have the Jordan 1 wing logo. And that's in the burgundy colorway. If you want to go Bordeaux, I'm not going to go there, but yeah, that colorway. So that's just the toe, that's just the tag. Let's look at the sneaker. Look at the swoosh, guys. Look at this swoosh. That's reptile, man. Pure reptile on the swoosh. I think I seen this on a Uptown 1 Nike before, but that was a while ago. So that's reptile. And that reptile goes all the way around to the other side. You even have reptile peeking through at the top. It's crazy, man. The sneaker is in like a cracked leather, I want to call it. As you can see, it's like more like a cracked leather. It gives me trophy room vibes a little bit. As you know, they try to go for the frost on the trophy room. So you can see that frost. So it kind of gives me that kind of vibe a little bit. And that brushed leather, cracked leather is all the way around. The cracked leather is even on the tongue, guys. Your tongue is not even your regular mesh. It's also that cracked leather. And there go your Nike Air logo there with the Maniere. That don't look like that say Maniere, but it does in a different font. As we could get close on that, get that to focus. Maniere. The inside, just like your Jordan 3s, looks like a nice luxury couch, or like inside of a Maybach or a Mercedes. As you can see, the diamond stitching there. So dope, man. You know it's comfortable, but the look is just so dope to me. Let me pull out this shoe tree. And the inside says, I'm Maniere with the Jordan Wings logo. If you're not feeling the burgundy pair that it comes with, these are some nice chrome tips on the bottom. The bottom reads Maniere in that same font as the tongue. But if you're not feeling the burgundy pair, bam. They gave you a sail white pair also with the chrome tips that reads Maniere. I told y'all they was luxury, man. I tried to warn y'all, dog. These are luxury sneakers. I love that they all sail white, and you know you kind of get weirded out with an all-white shoe. But this material looks like it's going to be hard to get dirty, hard to get any stains on this sneaker because it's like a hard, cracked leather. It's not your regular leather or your suede nubuck, but it is white, sail white. These flaps right here, which every collab is starting to do something here. I want y'all, let me pull this back. Look at this reptile, guys. Look at that reptile. Jesus. Leather here, reptile here. The sneaker's crazy. But back to the pull tabs. So, as you can see on the pull tab, so in order to show y'all what was behind the pull tab, I had to take the tag off. But boom. There go Michael Jordan's signature there. And what else does it say? It say, learning a gift even when pain is your teacher. Michael Jordan. Sound like something Kobe would say too. But as you can see, that's there in the inside pull tab. So like I said, a lot of collabs been using this tab to put certain things in, which I think is dope. I mean, it's to each his own. It's something that a sneaker collab would know, because most people I know rock their Jordan 1 shoestrings all the way to the top. So that'll be closed. And i.e., that's why they had the logo here, the tag here. I know a lot of shoe tubers are gonna try to do a versus video with the Jordan 3 and the Jordan 1 Maniere. Get your content, dog. But I'm not gonna really bore y'all with that. I'm a Jordan 1 lover. Everyone knows that. Jordan 1 is my favorite Jordan silhouette. But I probably will have to go with the Jordan 3 in that situation, because the Jordan 3 just had more ways to show you luxury. Like, they both did the inside couch, but the Nike Air on the back does it for me with the Jordan 3. But man, Maniere took a Jordan 1 and like, they did it, man. They really, really, really put these together. From the box to the little subtle details, the extra pair of shoestrings, Maniere got this one right. In the comment section below, let me know if you was lucky enough to get your hands on this. Like I told you, I got these off the website, $225. I didn't even blink an eye when I saw that price, because I knew it was a reason. It was a markup of the price. And you could see the reptile, the cracked leather, the chrome tips on the shoestrings, the leather tag. So many things it gives way why this sneaker was $225. Let me know how y'all feel about this sneaker, man. Maybe I could be overdoing it with this sneaker, but I seen a lot of Jordan 1s in my day. And these, the trophy rooms, these are collabs that took the sneaker above the neck. The J Balvin joints took the Jordan 1s somewhere crazy, but far as luxury, it didn't up it for me. That's my opinion, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. I got a lot of videos coming this week. Hit subscribe, hit that bell if you woke up feeling risky. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody get rich.